Italy a couple of weeks ago, and now Catherina McKiernan, one of the world's leading marathon runners. She's certainly got the bit between her teeth. And what a great day this is for Irish distance.
Won in Berlin last year, and she's winning in London today. Brilliant run. Catherina McKiernan wins the 1998 London Marathon.
I just ran around the fields, to be honest, from a very young age, just for the sheer enjoyment and feeling of well-being and confidence that running gave me. And I like to share that with other people as well, because running has been very good to me, and it's you know, when I go for a run, I feel in a place of very peaceful place, and I know other people can experience that as well. So with my workshops and running classes that I do, I teach people good mechanics for running, to make running easier on themselves and to relax while they're running and go out and enjoy themselves and get that peace of mind that I experience. I do one-day workshops from 10 until 5 o'clock in the evening, and I also do 6-week classes. They're in the evening times as well, for an hour over a period of 6 weeks, and that's nice too, because I get to spend a lot of time with the people and we go through everything step by step. And just meeting ordinary people and helping ordinary people. You know, we live in a rat race of a world now, and we need to calm ourselves a little bit, and running can do that. Nowadays I share my experience with people in loads of different ways, the corporate events and motivational speaking. And a lot of it is about confidence, and I give them that confidence and get them moving and get them, like some people that I have trained and that I have met have started with a couch to 5k program, and then 2 years later they're out running marathons. The information is on my website, runwithkatrina.ie, and I'm glad to help anybody out, because I know that feeling that running gives me, that feeling of enjoyment, that feeling of confidence, and that's what we all want.